Hello friends, welcome to Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Be ready for the legal passage at the speed of 80 WPM. Start. The state government, although on its own showing was inclined to agree with the views of the High Court and with the recommendation made by it, however, referred the case to the Haryana Public Service Commission for advice purporting to act under Article 320 within bracket 3 within bracket C of the Constitution. Stop. The Commission advised that no case had been made out against the officer and that he should be exonerated. Stop. The governor accepted the advice of the commissioner and passed the order on August 24, 1968, reinstating the officer in service with immediate effect. Stop. The High Court was requested by the government to post the officer on his reinstatement. Stop. The High Court did not issue any posting order to the officer as it was of the opinion that the order of the government was illegal for the vice of consultation with the Public Service Commission and for accepting its advice disregarding the recommendation of the High Court. Stop. The High Court requested the government to review its order, but the government did not take any action on that suggestion. Stop. Since the High Court refused to pass any posting order, notwithstanding his several prayers, the officer preferred in the High Court of Punjab and Haryana a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution on July 12, 1971, praying for a writ of mandamus directing the High Court to issue an appropriate order of posting and also for a mandamus directing the government to disburse full salary to the officer, including the salary for the period under suspension and other consequential reliefs. Stop. The state of Punjab was reorganized into states of Punjab, Haryana and Himachal Pradesh to begin with, was a union territory and was given the status of full statehood in 1970. Stop. Since employees of the composite states of Punjab were taken in various departments of the state of Himachal Pradesh, formulated in order to safeguard the seniority, pay hyphen scales, etc., the state of Himachal Pradesh followed the Punjab pattern of pay scales. Stop. After attaining the status of full statehood, the High Court of Himachal Pradesh formulated its own rules and regulations for its employees. Stop. It adopted the pattern of Punjab and Haryana High Court rules of their employees. Stop. When Punjab and Haryana High Court gave effect to certain portion of its rules from 25/9/1985 by notification dated 23/1/1986, as a result of which designation of the post of Senior translators and junior translators were equated to the posts in Punjab Civil Secretariat, the Himachal Pradesh High Court. Similar effect was given to in its rules for its employees. Stop. सो ये हमारी डिक्टेशन थी 80 WPM। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस ऑन डेली बेसिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।